Saudi Cup. Today we're going to do grilled hamburgers. Yeah, we like the ground chuck. It's got a good fat content to it. We got about 2 pounds here. And in it we're going to add some black pepper. It's about 1.5 teaspoons. Some seasoned salt. I made some from home because I was out of Lowry's. Lowry's is quicker, but it's about 2.5 teaspoons there. And some garlic powder. It's about 3 tablespoons there. A lot of garlic powder in this one. And then just mix it with some olive oil, which is 3 tablespoons there. And to do it, you just throw all the ingredients in. And put your hands in and mix that all up. Alright, we're going to put this in the refrigerator and then get the grill ready to go. We'll cook them up here in a few minutes. Okay. So it's been in the fridge for about half hour, 45 minutes now. Ready to go. I have one of these little patty makers because when I try to make them freehand, they turn out a little interesting, so I cheat. So you just put meat in there. Uh-oh, keep the hungry critters at bay. See that? Turns out pretty good. Big old patty. there we have it. Take those out to the grill, and we'll cook them on up. That's gonna be good.
Homemade burger นะ
Other little tricks, if you want, you can put the cheese inside them and actually makes them a little more firm, and some onions and stuff. You can mix stuff in with the meat. Which we'll be doing at a future day when I show you the spicy one. Oh, that was good.
ดูซะก่อนค่ะ ดูหน้าเชฟ เชฟyou wear a teddy bear apron so cute
I stole it from you. Not getting it back. All right, so with the patties, do is take a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper. Gotta get them all ready to go because they'll cook up real quick. You don't want to burn these. You're just gonna throw some olive oil on the patty.
ย่างให้มันกรอบๆค่ะ
You want to soak it. Don't make it really wet. Just enough to flavor it. And then you'll add some salt. Just a sprinkle. And same with some pepper. Same with some pepper. There we go. And you just throw that on the grill. So you want to be really quick with that because it's going to cook up real quick. You burn them.
It's burning.
Yep. Come on.
It's burning.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh,
there you go.
nice.
That's about what you want. You just do that for as many Yeah, we're gonna set up for 3.
You forgot black pepper.
Oh, shoot. I forgot black pepper.
It's alright.
Yeah.
ลืมใส่พริกไทยด
Oops.
ำ ไม่เป็นไร
Yeah, just like that. This time with black pepper. Aid by the wind. There you go. And that's that.